wonderful day myself. Let me tell you about it. I'm gonna sit down. Oh man, it's been a good day because we had some very special VID, very important dogs visiting from the city shelter. Just your regular city shelter, but very special dogs. We had Brutus, who is an adult, and then two puppies called Pearl and Star. I mean, Brutus was like friendly to everyone and doing his thing. I bonded with the puppies so much. I fell in love. I was with them the whole 2 hours, and it was hard to say goodbye. Really hard, because by the end, I was on the floor like this, and they were here just sleeping. And then I had to go to sound check, and I was like, okay, I have to go, I'm sorry. And then they were asleep, and they looked up like, what? Where are you going? And I was like, no, I'm sorry. But anyway, they're very good dogs. They're gonna be very big. They're small puppies now, but their paws told a different story. Their paws said, we are gonna be big girls.